like feathers flying.
Look at that. Hey, look at that. Look at a hole there. Crawling there.
Oh, somebody living there. Huh?
Oh my goodness. It has a do not disturb sign on it.
Outside the door? Yeah, the cave.
The cave.
How are you planning?
Where'd you go? Look at that cotton floating. Look at that giant ball. Wow. Hey, wait, you just came out the other side though. Hey, my umbrella's stuck. Okay, say it again. Say it again. What?
Dark?
Yeah, a little bit. That's okay.
Careful, don't get close to it. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck in your skin. Now, it's also good when you check with your feet to migrate towards it.
It looks fine.
This is a teddy bear cholla. At least that's what I've been told it's called. On the signs it says the cholla garden. And make sure you do not get close to it. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. Do not get close. They're called teddy bear cholla, but don't let that name fool you because they look fluffy, but they're super pokey. And I've seen dogs come out with the thorns all over them and they have to go to the vet and get it all out. Not a good case. And then here's the trail that we went on. We went on many different trails. Here's the other one, Twin Tanks. You want the umbrella?
No, I don't need it.
Joshua Tree has so many beautiful rocks of so many different sizes. And they have the what is that tree called again, guys? Is it yucca? Yucca. Write in the comments below, because I can't remember what that spiky tree is. But I think it's called yucca. And just be careful, lots of pokey branches along the way. But so worth the beautiful rocks that you get to scale and just hop all over. It's fun for the kids, like me, who loves to be a kid at heart.